Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial, or rather an update on how to use TTS and mix it up. So I've already made a video on this before. That video is using Stream Elements to use Brian, but there have been some changes to their API, so we can no longer access it. So that Brian command does not work anymore. So this is to give you an alternative for TTS. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, first of all, we are on version 1.5. Okay? Okay, so here's what I want you to do. What we're going to do is we have to connect it to a different service. That service is called TTS Monster right here. Okay. Why TTS Monster? Well, let me show you. If you go to commands, we'll look at the Brian command real quick. Just see what our options are for TTS. If we go here. Okay, so here I'm using text-to-speech instead of using stream elements in here. And the options, if we don't use TTS, is robotic voice. You get to use Amazon Poly or Microsoft Azure Speech once every 5 minutes. If you use them once, you can't use them again for another 5 minutes, so you can try that. And this one I haven't gotten to work, so I'm not sure if you have to like subscribe for this. Oh yeah, also Amazon Poly and Microsoft Azure Speech also require a subscription. So if you got robotic voice, heavily limited or like subscription based. And TikTok, I have also not gotten to work. So yeah, that's why I'm saying we're using TTS Monster because I can't get that to work. So if I use my Brian command right now, let's see, I got this to work earlier. So if it doesn't work, I will be embarrassed. But yeah, so if I go exclamation point Brian, yay, I'm working.
Yay, I'm working.
Okay, there you go. So it works. Uh, you should have heard that on your end. But yeah, so we're using TTS Monster. Don't copy the command yet. Let me show you how to connect TTS Monster to mix it up. Okay. So let me open a new tab here. Let's go to TTS Monster. Okay. So you go to get started. You have to log in with Twitch or YouTube. Hopefully you're okay with that because it doesn't provide you an option to like log in with just a username and password. So I'll hit Twitch. And I've already authorized it, so it just logs me in. Okay, now over here, I'm not going to show you this because apparently I'm not supposed to. You will click on this to copy it. We're going to head back to mix it up. Okay, click on the menu in the top left. Go back to services. And then go back to TTS Monster. If you were logged out, it would tell you to paste in your TTS Monster URL in here. And then you use that to connect TTS Monster to mix it up. Okay, so now after that's done, we'll go back to our Brian command to modify it. So this is all you need. You can remove these 3 pieces. I'll delete it. This is all you need. Yeah, we're just gonna add a text-to-speech command. Or action, rather. Switch to TTS Monster. Oh, one more thing you have to do inside TTS Monster, okay? Okay, go to voices. Now, if these voices are not enabled, you won't be able to use them. So make sure you have Brian enabled. And additionally, if you want to use AI voices, you can. You're limited though. All these red ones, you have to have the premium plan, which I do not. But yeah, everything else, if you want to use it, it'll be available to you inside Mix It Up. But yeah, I'm just using Brian. So yeah, make sure you enable all those voices so you can access them all over here. And if you try to enable them while Mix It Up is open, I've noticed it doesn't update. So if you had Mix It Up open while selecting the voices you wanted available, I would try closing Mix It Up, reopening it. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC. Because I noticed, yeah, I didn't see it right away. But yeah, so I have Brian selected, and for the speech message, you'll provide $ all args, and wherever you use the Brian command, it'll output the message that you want, that you provide it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. If you would like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming, Life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministrygold, and please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And take it easy. See ya.